What's up guys, it's Cody over at Form First Fitness, just dropping another quick garage tutorial. Today we're going to talk about knee hovering lateral bear crawls, okay? So for this movement, really focusing on core engagement and shoulder stability, we are going to plant those palms onto the ground, actively gripping the ground to the point that we're seeing white knuckles. We're going to pretty much start in this tabletop position where knees are under hips, hands under shoulders. From there, we are going to press into the ground with our toes or the ball of your foot just to get the knees hovering off the ground, maybe 4 to 6 inches. From here, we're going to then make sure that those hips are about level with the back, and that's going to drive those knees off the ground just a little bit more. That's fine. Now we are going to move laterally. We're going to use the left hand, left foot at the exact same time of shooting them out, maybe about a foot, and then you are going to follow with that right side, maintaining the palm directly under the shoulder and still trying to keep the knees relatively under those hips. Nice tight core. Same time, left hand, left foot. Same time, right hand, right foot. And you're just gonna find that pattern, trying to keep those hips locked in, and then you can slide going the opposite direction, slow and controlled. This does not need to be fast. I want that core to have tension the entire time and for you to start feeling it in the shoulders after a few reps. If you guys like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.